Hello dear students, in trick number 182 we will continue one more method in the chapter of arithmetic progression. Now in this particular video I am going to solve some problems based on the sum of first n natural numbers. Now we all know that natural numbers are 1, 2, 3 and continue up to infinity. So whenever we are given an arithmetic progression of natural numbers, then we can find the sum of that series using a shortcut. Now, traditionally, when we are asked to find the sum of 1, 2, 3 up to any number of terms, say for convenience sake, I am taking 25 terms now. So, if we are asked to find the sum of these 25 terms starting from 1, obviously, then the first term A is 1 and the common difference, just I told you in trick number 180, the common difference is the difference between the second term and the first term. So the second term is 2, first term is 1, difference is 1, and number of terms which we have to consider is 25 terms. So number of terms is represented by n. So in this given problem we know the value of the first term A, the common difference D, and the number of terms n. Now we are required to find the sum of these first 25 terms. Now for finding this sum, we can apply this formula of arithmetic progression. This is the sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression Sn. It is given by n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here we know all the variables n, a and d. So simply we can substitute the values and get the required answer. Say here n is 25, a is 1 and d is 1. So if we simplify this, you get 325 as the answer. But if the question involves the use of natural numbers, then we can find the sum of any number of natural numbers orally using this very important shortcut which is used at all levels beyond class 10th. So class 10 students have to solve the problem involving Sn like this, and whereas in competitive exams you can solve this question in a single step. Just write sum of first 25 natural numbers is how many terms we require, 25 terms. So start with 25, multiply it with its consecutive number, that is 26, and just divide by 2. So what we need to do is take the number of terms which we are required here to find the sum. So 25 terms are required here, so take 25, then write its consecutive number 26 and divide it by 2. So if you cancel 2 and 26, you get 13. So 25 into 13 will give you 325, which is the direct answer for this problem. Now using this, you can find the sum of first n multiples of any number. Like here we have the multiples of 2. Now see, 2 plus 4 plus 6, we have to find the sum of 40 terms. So the first step involved in this will be to take 2 common, and if you take 2 common, then we are again getting the same series of natural numbers. See, 2 becomes 1, 4 becomes 2, 6 becomes 3, and we obtain 40 terms, first 40 natural numbers. So now it is very easy, this 2 will be there, and just now I told you sum of first n natural numbers is given by, just take how many natural numbers are to be taken here, 40. So take 40, multiply by the next consecutive number 41 and divide by 2. So 2 cancels out, and if you multiply this, 0 will be there. So 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. So the sum of first 40 terms of multiples of 2 is 1640. Now similarly you can take multiples of 5, 7, 11. So let us demonstrate this. See, 5 common, so you obtain the series of natural numbers again, and this time we need 60 terms. So when we need 60 terms, this 5 will be there. Just write 60 multiplied by its consecutive 61 and divide by 2. So this 2 cancels out with this. So 5 into 30 into 61. Now you can very easily multiply this and get the required result. So here in this case it will be 150 into 61. So 0 will be there. So 15 1s are 15, 5, 1 carry, 15 6 are 90 and 191. So 9150 is the sum of first 60 multiples of 5. So you can get this as a statement problem also at class 10th level. Find the sum of first 60 multiples of 5. So you can do this using this shortcut. And similarly, for finding the sum of the multiples of 7, here 7 is common, so you get the natural numbers 1 2 3 so on up to how many terms are required. We require 30 terms, so the simple answer will be 7 into, we have 30 terms here, so 30 into next consecutive 31 upon 2. So here 7 into 2 cancels out 15 times and 31. So we just need to multiply this 105 into 31. So by a simple multiplication you can find this answer very easily. Here I have found out the answer for you. 3255 is the required answer. Finally, multiples of 11, say take 11 common, so you again get the series of natural numbers, and this time we require 50 terms. So this will be 11 into 50 into next consecutive is 51 upon 2. So 11 into 25 into 51. Now 25 into 11 is 275 into 51, and here you get your final answer as 14025 is the required answer. So you see, the knowledge of this small shortcut will enable you to solve so many problems related to sum of first n natural numbers, sum of first n multiples of a particular number. And if you have knowledge of this concept, you can use this concept to find the solution to so many different problems of arithmetic progression. So continue watching this series of videos which I shall be posting in subsequent time, and keep sharing the videos if you like it. And this channel is for you. Class 10 board exams are very near, so class 10 students, keep watching and keep loving mathematics.